TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 17, the Nasdaq's off 15, S&P's are down 4.5, gold contract down $4, trading at $12.74 an ounce. We have silver down 8 cents, $16.64. Platinum's up 13 at $9.61. Copper market's flat out here this morning at $2.87. Light sweet crude flat, $49.69 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 3 ticks, 126.07. 30-year bond up 18 ticks, 154.25. Both notes and bonds, folks, they did it again. Rejecting lower price, had lighter volume. They go on top side. They want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar right now trading up 156 ticks, 92.850. King dollar continues to struggle. Bottom line, though, you got to lower lows. Contraction of volume. Good old King dollar is trying to get a bounce. King dollar would have to get over, first off, the 9,300 mark. But guess what? It's making a run for it. The euro is at 118.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.25 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have happening is this. SPY out here yesterday got to a price point of 247.60. The high out here is 248. You're laying out there 247.10. Bottom line, I expect you're going to probably pull back slightly out here today. The real question is going to be is that can the SPY get that extra 40 cents higher and test that high? It's a toss-up. The Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow Industrials, you've had 8 highs right in a row. Bottom line, each and every one of those, low price spread, low volume. Bottom line, we'll see whether it wants to come off this level and then it has any juice on the downside. Now, NASDAQ, NDX 100, Russell 2000, different animal. We had the NASDAQ fail yesterday on price, not on volume. So how we trade out here today is going to be crucial to understand, well, when I say didn't fail on volume, that's going into Monday's high, not going into the downdraft of the 27th. So if we get a expansion of volume today, as we move to lower price, what that's going to set up is that lower price is going to be coming at us. You have the NDX 100, the 3Qs, that failed on price, failed on volume as it went into the 27th. You have 3.9 million shares out here today. You get a close under 143.90. That is saying you go to the lower end of the consolidation that the NDX is in. That lower end is 135 inside the Q, so it's a big lower end. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, trading down 420. Now, that doesn't look that bad, but guess what? Gold spiked last night down to 1262. So that is a danger point. Right now, we're coming up to, basically the middle of the highs of yesterday, but that spike down there is a high volume spike. You're talking 1262, and I expect that 1262, folks, is going to get tested. Notes, the 10-year note, what we have with the 10-year note out here, 10-year note got down to 1262. You've done 1.2 million contracts thus far. It's rejected lower price, and bonds, notes, they want higher price once again. This has been a one-way move since the 10th of July. 10th of July out here, bottom line, that thing moved, and it moved very quickly. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar has no love, looking for love, all of the above. We'll see whether it can get anything going. King dollar right now is at 92.780. King dollar's got to get inside the 93 to get something going. But I can tell you something, folks. Nothing goes down forever. Nothing goes up forever. And don't be surprised if out of nowhere you get good old King dollar getting a nice spike higher. Now, if we get that, I suspect that the market itself is not going to like it. We'll see where this whole baby does shake out. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.